Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now before we jump into today's video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to everyone thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here, and my opinions are not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion. With that being said, let's dive into today's video. Enjoy everyone. Let's go. Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is a unboxing and first impressions of a inexpensive band for your Apple Watch SE. Now, I told you guys and gals in my unboxing and first impressions and 24-hour later video, the stock included watch bands that came for the first generation Apple Watch SE. Although they work, the clasping mechanism is not my favorite, and I kind of wanted to go with something easier or more traditional. Well, thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program, I was actually able to get these inexpensive bands in for the channel, and this is one of two. This was the first one to come in. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the, I'm going to put the name up on the screen because I'm not even going to try and struggle to pronounce that. And I'll also have the name of it down below in the description and title of the video down below. But essentially what this is this is a really nice nylon Velcro band for your Apple Watch SE first generation. So let's dive into this. Starting off here, talking about the overall packaging and presentation, I have to say I really like this. It's very minimalistic, very straightforward. Okay, so sports band on the front. You can see what the band looks like. Okay, and then you just have some instructions on how to install it right here. And then you got a barcode right there. Nice little picture of the Apple Watch here. Very minimalistic, very straightforward. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so now let's crack into this here. So it should just open from right here. And let's go ahead and pop this out. Okay, and there it is. Put this off to the side. And essentially, we just have to do what we did on the unboxing and first impressions of the stock bands. So what you want to do is, you want to just look for the grooves. And essentially, this piece right here will let you know how the grooves go. So what you want to do, if you want to make sure you don't mess it up, is if you grab your stock band, you can see that this portion right here goes on the inside. And if you flip it over, you'll see that this portion right here is supposed to go on the outside. So that's how you can make sure you put it in the proper orientation. So if we flip it back over, this part goes on the inside and the other part goes on the outside. So now we know. So at that point, we just need to grab our main unit for the watch here. And essentially, we want to slot it in the proper portions here. Okay? So let's start this way first. And again, if you feel some resistance and it doesn't go in right away, that means you're putting it in the wrong orientation. So we'll try this one here. Okay, so I did that one right. And it clicks into place once you get it. So you heard that click. Then we're going to flip it over. And we're going to do the other side. So let me grab this. And let's do the other side. Now, I believe one side was down. So this side should be up. So if I line it up in the groove here. You know what? I should probably open this to make it easier. Yeah, because we just want this piece. So let's open this up. Let me line this up in the groove here. And there you go. It clicks into place. So just like that, it clicked into place and we're good to go. And now I can just open this up and put this on my wrist. So give me a couple seconds. Let me get a nice comfortable band position, and I'll come back and give you guys and gals my first impressions of this inexpensive nylon band for your Apple Watch SE. Give me 1 second. Let me position this up and get it nice and comfortable on my wrist. I'll be right back. Here we go, guys and gals. Now that was much easier to position, and that was much easier to get a nice comfortable fit. So it just takes me a couple seconds. And now I have a nice, snug, comfortable fit. And first impressions of the band, I have to say, it is really good. Now, this is made out of the nylon breathable material, so this should be perfect for taking to the gym, i.e. or sleeping with, which is essentially what I'm going to be doing most with the Apple Watch SE, doing workouts and sleeping with it to do my general health tracking. But I have to say, guys and gals, out of the box, first impressions, I like the overall feel of this on my wrist, and I like the overall look of it as well. Now, next, let's go over the colors that this band actually comes in. Now, the one that you guys and gals see in the video here is the black one. I was a big fan of the black. I feel like black goes with pretty much anything. That's why I requested this to review. But they also have a dragon fruit, which is basically like a purple pink. They call it dragon fruit. And then they also have a sand pink, okay, which is like a whitish pink. Then they also have a pomegranate. Wow, these colors are bright. These are some bright colors. So yeah, that's like a hot pink. And then they have a, what is this? Purple. Then they have a starlight, which is basically white. And then they have a white, which looks kind of silverish. So altogether they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors available. And honestly, if y'all wanted to know my opinion on the colors, I kind of like the white and the starlight, which is like the white and the silver. And I also like the black. But to each his own. Y'all could try out the other colors, and if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. But, or you can do what I did and just go with the black, because y'all know black goes with everything. But those are all the colors that are available. And now, let's talk some of the pricing that I was able to find this for. For those of you who just want to know the pricing out of the box before we even get to the full review, because I'm still going to use this for a week or so and then come back for the full review. But this is currently available, ranging in prices from about $8, $8.99 to $9.99, so $10. So it's ranging in prices from $8 to $10, and currently, right now on Amazon, there is a 50% off coupon. I'm going to try and get this video out as fast as possible so you guys and gals can take advantage of this coupon. But right now, as of the recording of this video, which is July 14th, it is available for $8 to $10 with a 50% off coupon. So at that price, that brings it down to $5 or $4, depending on the color that you go with. Okay? I just wanted to get the pricing and availability out of the way up front. And I'll also let you know the current pricing and availability during my full review, which is what we're going to do after I've used this for about a week. But first impressions of this nylon inexpensive band for the Apple Watch SE first generation, I have to say, is basically top notch. I feel as though I'm really going to enjoy this band. I'm really going to enjoy using this band. But that, guys and gals, pretty much does it for today's video. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. That being said, as I said at the beginning of the video, this was another product brought to you guys thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So my video coverage on this will be slightly delayed because I do have to write up and publish a written review on this before I do the video coverage, okay? So y'all be on the lookout for that. If you follow me on Amazon, when you see a written review for this go live, you should know that the video coverage is coming very soon after that. Today's video was recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Today's video was recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. That being said, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up this inexpensive band for your Apple Watch SE, all the affiliated buy links for this band, and all of the other recommended bands for your Apple Watch SE first generation, I'll be sure to link them up down below in the video description. And the video description will contain affiliated buy links. So if you guys and gals decide to get your bands using those affiliated buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission when you guys and gals use those links, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate buy links a win-win for everyone in my opinion. Also, if you guys and gals would like any more extended coverage on the Apple Watch SE, I'll be sure to link up all of my extended coverage on the Apple Watch SE first generation down below in the video description as well. So the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. All right, man, this looks pretty nice. I think I'm really going to enjoy using this one. All right, guys and gals, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Stay safe. We're out of here. Peace.